I'm going to show you how to make an absolutely banging chicken tikka masala. Now this is a super family recipe because it's not spicy, but it is packed with flavour, and my kids absolutely love this one. The first thing that you need to do anytime you're making a chicken tikka masala is to make that tikka marinade. So we're going to use chopped up chicken breasts, you could use thighs if you want, and then we're adding some tandoori masala, which you can just find in all the supermarkets, lemon juice, equal measures of garlic and ginger, Greek yogurt, and then about a half teaspoon of salt. Mix everything through and pop it in the fridge for at least an hour, but if you want to do it for even longer, do it overnight and that'll let more flavour get into that chicken. When you're ready to cook the curry, to do the sauce, we're going to heat some butter in a saucepan on a medium to high heat and fry an onion for about 5 minutes until it is softened. To that, we're then going to add in some garlic and ginger, equal measures of both as a paste or minced or super finely chopped, and fry that for a further 30 seconds before adding in our curry powder. You can use whatever spice you like, medium, mild, hot, whatever. Garam masala, paprika, and then you're going to just fry that for a further 30 seconds before adding in your coconut milk. I'm using full fat just for the extra creaminess, and 1 can of chopped tomatoes. Lastly, we just need a bit of sugar and some salt, and you're going to mix that and reduce the heat down to a simmer and give it about 15 minutes or so with the lid on. When the sauce is cooking, we're going to thread the chicken onto skewers. You can cook this in loads of different ways. You could pan fry it, grill it, oven, air fry, but my personal favourite is to cook it on the barbecue to give it a nice charring on the outside. Hey, sorry for the interruption, but I've got a super quick favour to ask. If you could either click like, drop a comment below and let me know what you think of this recipe, or subscribe, I would really appreciate it. It has got absolutely nothing to do with my ego. It just means that if you interact with this video in some way, YouTube is more likely to show it to others so that more people get a chance to cook my recipes. Thanks in advance. Now back to the recipe. I mean, this recipe is delicious regardless of how you cook the chicken, but cooking on the barbecue just makes it extra special and super flavorful. So if you've got the time to do it on the barbecue. If not, like I said, oven or air fryer or some other way. Then when the sauce is ready, just add the chicken into it, mix it all through, give it a little simmer to thicken up if need be, and then garnish with some fresh coriander, serve with the usual accompaniments, and just get stuck in. Thank you so much for watching this recipe, and if you'd like the full recipe for it, you can get it in my new book. There's a link in the description below.